Hello, everyone. Buongiorno from Italy. How are you today, legends of the legends of the legends? How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everyone. So, welcome everyone in Crypto Legends. My name is Cryptobot. I'm the super mega hyper great legend. So, welcome everyone to Crypto Legends. Today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price from our new live studio. And see behind me, I bought a new live studio with the Crypto Legends logo. You see the Colosseum behind, it's super mega hyper super cool. Yes. And yeah, today we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin once again. So yesterday, in the video of yesterday, I told you that there were three bigger resistance zones. One around the 21,600. The second resistance was around 22,700. And the last resistance, where the price went really high, was at 2400. So yeah, from this resistance, what I saw here was a bearish divergence. So this bearish divergence in the 4-hour chart was a good indicator to understand that the price had like starting a pullback from here. So in the 4-hour time frame, if we don't find any new support zone, but I think we can find it, this could be a good moment to buy Bitcoin because there is a small buy pressure. And if the price in the 1-hour time frame have like this is a new support in the 1-hour time frame is where the price starts bouncing. So I expect to go like a little bit lower, like here in this 200 and EMA line. But we didn't touch it already because there was this big buy pressure in the 22,000 area. So this is the buy pressure we had this morning, and the price didn't fall too much. So this looks great, but I'm not sure that this support level is going to hold. There are a lot of support anyway around here, like for example these are around $22,691. And yeah, the price from here could start to recover once again. So if we move closer, as you can see here, we have this bigger resistance yesterday, where the downtrend starts from here, so around $24,000. Like yeah, here was the top where Bitcoin price faced the resistance. And in the 15-minute chart, the price starts going lower, like first at 22 and 900. And yeah, but this support level didn't hold. And yeah, we fall down again at 22,600. So this for me is the second super zone. So Bitcoin for today, this is the range of the 15 minutes chart. So for today, Bitcoin is stuck between the 24,200 here, and that's the resistance zone, and the super zone is around 22,600. So this is the 15-minute chart. And yeah, this is where exactly the trend starts changing. So we face this resistance and the trend starts changing once again. In the 15-minute chart, we went down around $2,000 from $24,000 to $22,000. And now here at $22,000, what I can see here is that we have this small support zone. So yeah, for today I think that's the trade that you can try to have a buy here and set your stop loss somewhere around a little bit lower, like $22,000, and hope that the price will touch again this EMA 200 in the 15-minute chart. I hope that this support level can hold on the moment, and yeah, the price could have another EMA cross and the retest of the higher high at the moment. This is the higher high at the moment, and yeah, this could be a good trade, but yeah, trade safe. Don't fall in a FOMO or food. And at the moment, I can see here a lot of buy pressure. So that's why I can think that this support level could hold. So this is my opinion, but we have to take care because this support can't hold like before, and so it's better to use a stop loss. So this was the cup with handle. For example, we can spot the cup with handle here. So this was the resistance of the cup with handle. It's really possible that we have this retest here in the 4-hour time frame. So it's really possible that the price of Bitcoin will have another pullback and start going lower once again, like somewhere around here to retest this EMA. And yeah, what I expect these next few days is that the price have a retest of the higher high. But from what can I see in the daily at the moment, is that we are facing this big resistance here in the daily. So this could be the maximum, and we can have a retest of this EMA before we have another EMA cross, and the price could reach like this. This is my target, so around $25,000. So what I expect about the price is that we will have this EMA, but for the moment we are facing this resistance here. So $24,000 and 200 was a good price to start your shortino. And yeah, this is still the support zone around $19,000. And yeah, the worst scenario, the worst could be that we will not reach the $25,000. The price will not cross the $25,000, and if we don't cross this $25,000 or my target, this could be really a problem because the price could start falling once again. So this basically can be the worst scenario. Can be, yeah, this if we don't cross this 200 EMA in the daily, this could be, yeah, the worst scenario because the price could fall once again. And what I can see here is that we are facing new resistance zone around the $24,000. So yeah, this can be really the worst scenario we can have for Bitcoin, but I'm still positive because I think that we are still going higher. So I'm still thinking about the confirmation of the uptrend, and also in the weekly, I still think this is really possible because we still have this this big support level around $19,000. So as I explained before, here the candlestick are closer. So yeah, this is a good scene of recovery because the price had the less selling pressure at the moment. And yeah, these three candlesticks are really smaller. And if you can see, there is one red big candlestick. The second one is a little bit smaller, and the last one is really small. And then the trend start turning once again. So yes, I expect a little bit of more pullback in this channel for the price of Bitcoin in the weekly. So yeah, I expect a little bit of more recovery, and maybe not immediately because we are facing this resistance in the daily. And also, as you can see here, we had bullish divergence, but now the selling pressure starts once again. So yeah, this is what I see in the daily. I can see this is the resistance area, and this is like the support area. So the range for Bitcoin in the daily could be from $24,000 touch yesterday to $18,000. And also, as you can see here, it's really clear to see the cup with handle. So here you can see the cup with handle here. So like this, yeah, and the breakout around here. This is like the cap. This is the cap, and this is the handle. This is the cap, and here you can find the handle here, the resistance zone, and the breakout until $24,000. And then yesterday we had a pullback here around $24,000 because yeah, we faced this resistance here that's really big, the $24,000. But the market structure is currently bullish, and yeah, the price didn't have a huge dump. I expect more dump around the 22,200 zone, around this line. But look, today we had really a lot of huge buying pressure at the moment. So maybe this small support was creating this morning could still hold, and the price of Bitcoin could reverse from here. Maybe it will go again higher for a retest. Yeah, that's what I expect. Basically, we had the bearish divergence here. The price of Bitcoin starts falling down. We face this new local support around here. So yeah, the continuation of the uptrend is still possible, in my opinion. Bitcoin is still good to buy. It's still good to buy because, in my opinion, Bitcoin is still considered as a store of value. And yeah, basically, what I want to say is that when we have this big movement in Bitcoin, basically you can check the mempool size in this website. So what is the mempool? The mempool size is like a limbo where all the transaction of Bitcoin, but also other coins like Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin are processed here. So you can see here, for example, the number displayed this page, the number of fees or the weight of the unconfirmed transactions, and yeah, this is also known as mempool. the transactions that haven't been written in the blockchain yet and keeping in the volatile memory. So what I want to say here is that when Bitcoin, this is the mempool last 4 days, last 2 days. As you can see here, the mempool, when we have these big moves, or there are a lot of people who are buying, or there are a lot of people who are selling. Basically, the mempool start growing. So here there are more unconfirmed transactions under projects. So if you can see the last 4 days before the pump, the mempool here, the 20th of July, last like 24 hours before the pump, the mempool started growing up because there were a lot of unconfirmed transactions. So the price the mempool starts growing up, and the price start to have this big movement. And also, yes, you can check the mempool on different time frame, like 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 4 days, 1 week, 30 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, etc., etc. So this is really useful for understanding the Bitcoin blockchain, because yeah, you can have a lot of information for this graphic, and this website is really useful. I mean, for your Bitcoin trading. So yeah, this is basically really important. So have a look sometimes at the mempool, because yeah, it's really important. I mean, you can see also the number of unconfirmed transactions here. So yeah, sometimes have a look at the mempool because it's really good. So yeah, the price of Bitcoin is still a store of value, and I think it's still really good to buy. If I want to share with you another chart in the weekly, so this is the chart I want to share with you. So as you can see here, the Bitcoin price started growing really a lot from 8,000 2 years ago. We went to $50,000. So we have this massive uptrend. But yeah, after that we hit like the tobacco lines indicator here, and we start falling down once again. And yeah, last year we had this big movement again at $60,000, and then it went down again. So this is in the weekly was like big head and shoulders, as you can see here. Here, big head and shoulders. And then the price started this downtrend, really massive downtrend. So here there is like a new super zone around $70,000, something like this here. Okay, and yeah, from here I expect a small recovery, not to go down of this level again now for the moment. But yeah, I want to really to see like a pullback, a bounce, a pullback, and reach this EMA line once again. For the price of Bitcoin could be really important for the recovery, because only if we pass this line here, there could be a more uptrend, so a continuation of the uptrend. Otherwise, the price of Bitcoin could be stop here, could stop somewhere around here, and having again a fall down. So at the moment, I'm pretty positive about the price of Bitcoin, because if you can see in this indicator, it's called like Asha Ribbons indicator. This indicator is still in downtrend, so is still under capitulation. But in the end of the capitulation, there is always a buy signal. So, for example, here there was a buy, and here there was a buy as well. And so we are in the capitulation of Bitcoin right now. And what I expect here, it will be like another buy signal. And also, what can I see from this chart is that the money flow indicator is in the weekly is really close to the zero. So it means that there are not so many capitals right now in Bitcoin. So in my opinion, this could be a good moment to buy Bitcoin. Yeah, because we passed also from the all-time high. It was at 60, around 60 or 70K. We passed around $70,000. So yeah, after this big downtrend, I think that now is a good moment to buy Bitcoin and to start the recovery and to hit again this EMA in the weekly chart. So yeah, this is what I think. The price of Bitcoin, in my opinion, is still a store of value. Bitcoin is still good to buy. It's still good to buy. The market is going to recover because yeah, what goes down then goes up, and what goes up will always go down. It's a market, like every market needs time. So I think that we have it will not like really fast and quick, but yes, it will need more time because I think it will need like a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months more for the recovery. The recovery is not really immediate, but it will take time. So don't fall in rush and don't be greedy. Always check the fear and the greed indicator. Always use also stop loss and take profits for your trades. And yeah, I mean, play safe. Don't do stupid things. And yeah, let's wait and see what happens. For the moment, we have this big resistance zone information. So maybe the price of Bitcoin can have a pullback, like in this line around $22,000, and yeah, after that maybe it will have a continuation of the uptrend. And also for what again I see in the 1 hour, Bitcoin now in the 1 hour time frame is having like this new support zone. So this support zone maybe will hold or maybe not, but yes, basically take care. And yeah, I think that's all for today. We finished our time. We had a lot of useful information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our Telegram, join the community, subscribe to our Twitter, to our Facebook, to our Instagram. And yeah, I'm CryptoBuck, the Super Mega Hyper Super Mega Legendz. Also subscribe to my Twitter account and to my Instagram account. Thanks everyone for your attention. And yeah, thanks everyone on Crypto Legend. I really appreciate the support of everyone because our channel is growing really fast. So yeah, we have a lot of visualization. I just passed the 10,000 visualization in 1 week. So I am really happy and really satisfied. I want to say thank you everyone, guys. I really appreciate your support. And yeah, continue to watch our live show. And don't forget that we are live every day. And with Lupo, we are planning to create a new trading school with all of you. So thanks everyone. Wish you all a lovely and fantastic days. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. And ciao crypto. Ciao. See you today. Bye bye. Ciao crypto. Ciao. Ciao.